In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for sales pipeline management. This is a comprehensive guide intended to help you streamline your sales process, paving the way for more effective management and improved results. First, let's make our way over to Pipedrive's website, which functions as a dedicated CRM and pipeline management tool. This is your go-to software for organizing your sales flow efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the available features and interface, which will serve you well as you navigate through your tasks. Next, click on the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you've signed up, proceed by entering your login credentials to access your Pipedrive dashboard. This login step is essential, as it grants you access to all your sales data and tools that Pipedrive offers, all within a secure environment. Once you're logged in, you will land on the Pipedrive home dashboard. Now, it's essential to familiarize yourself with this hub, as this will be your starting point for managing your sales activities. Here's where you oversee your deals, see recent activities, and get quick insights into your pipeline's health. From the homepage, the next logical step is to click on the Deals tab. This section is crucial as it houses all your current deals and potential leads. Viewing your deals allows you to track their progress, understand where each stands within your sales funnel, and make informed decisions on the steps needed to close those deals. After opening the Deals section, you'll need to select an individual deal to work with. This specific action lets you delve into the details of a single transaction. The inner workings can include contact information, notes, and any scheduled activities pertaining to that deal. Understanding the details of each deal is pivotal for maintaining relationships and ensuring no deal falls through due to oversight. Once a deal is selected, it's time to look into the pipeline stages. By clicking on one, you can move the deal through the different phases of your pipeline, from potential to closed. It's a dynamic area that provides a visual progression of your sales journey, helping you identify bottlenecks, prioritize deals, and manage resources efficiently. Understanding and using these pipeline stages effectively can significantly boost your productivity. Remember, each stage represents a step in your sales process, and moving deals effectively through these stages is key to converting potential opportunities into successful sales. So, there you have it. A straightforward guide to managing your sales pipeline using Pipedrive. By following these steps, you'll enhance your ability to manage your sales process smoothly and effectively.